Imagine waking up every morning, checking your phone, and seeing $10,000 in sales from your Etsy store. The feeling of excitement and accomplishment is unparalleled, knowing that your hard work is paying off while you sleep. It sounds like a dream, right? A dream that many aspire to but few achieve. But what if I told you that this dream could become your reality? But what if I told you it's achievable through the power of dropshipping? Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding any inventory, making it a low-risk and highly scalable business model. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about building a sustainable online business that generates life-changing income. It's about creating a system that works for you, even when you're not actively working. In this comprehensive guide, I'm going to break down the exact steps I took to achieve this level of success with Etsy dropshipping. From finding the right products to market research, and from setting up your store to optimizing your listings, every detail will be covered. I'll share my proven strategies, insider tips, and even some of the mistakes I made along the way, so you can avoid them. Learning from others' experiences can save you time and money, and help you navigate the challenges more effectively. Whether you're a complete beginner, or have some experience in e-commerce, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to build your own dropshipping empire. You'll learn how to leverage Etsy's platform to reach a global audience and maximize your sales potential. Get ready to unlock the secrets of Etsy dropshipping and embark on a journey towards financial freedom. This guide will empower you to take control of your financial destiny and create a business that aligns with your passions and goals. This is your chance to take control of your future and create a business that allows you to live life on your own terms. Let's dive in. Together, we'll explore the strategies and techniques that can turn your Etsy store into a thriving dropshipping business, bringing you closer to your dream of earning $10,000 daily. Before we jump into the specifics of Etsy dropshipping, let's first understand what dropshipping is and why it's such a powerful business model. Dropshipping has revolutionized the way people think about starting an online business. In a nutshell, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where you, as a store owner, don't keep the products you sell in stock. This means you don't have to worry about the overhead costs associated with maintaining inventory. Instead, you partner with a dropshipping supplier who handles the inventory and shipping directly to your customers. This partnership allows you to focus on other aspects of your business, such as marketing and customer service. Here's how it works. A customer places an order on your Etsy store. This order is then automatically or manually forwarded to your dropshipping supplier. You then forward the order details and customer information to your dropshipping supplier, along with your wholesale price. The supplier takes care of the rest, ensuring the product is packaged and shipped directly to your customer. The supplier then ships the product directly to your customer. This seamless process allows you to run your business from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. The difference between your selling price and the supplier's wholesale price, minus any fees, is your profit. This profit margin can vary depending on the products you choose to sell and the suppliers you work with. The beauty of dropshipping lies in its simplicity and low startup costs. You can start your business with minimal financial risk, making it an attractive option for new entrepreneurs. You don't need to invest in inventory up front, manage a warehouse, or handle shipping logistics. This means you can scale your business quickly without the constraints of traditional retail models. This allows you to focus on what truly matters, finding winning products, marketing your store, and providing excellent customer service. By dedicating your time and resources to these areas, you can build a successful dropshipping business that stands out in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Etsy is a global online marketplace known for its unique handmade and vintage items. It has become a go-to platform for artisans and small business owners who want to reach a global audience with their creative products. While dropshipping is allowed on Etsy, it's crucial to understand and comply with their specific policies. These policies are designed to maintain the integrity of the marketplace and ensure that customers receive high-quality, authentic products. Etsy requires sellers to be transparent about their production partners and ensure that all listings adhere to their handmade, vintage, or craft supply guidelines. This means you must clearly disclose if you are working with a third-party manufacturer or supplier. To succeed with Etsy dropshipping, you need to find suppliers who offer products that align with Etsy's values and cater to its niche audience. This involves thorough research and vetting to ensure that the products meet Etsy's standards for quality and craftsmanship. Look for suppliers who specialize in handmade, vintage-inspired, or customizable items. These types of products resonate well with Etsy's customer base, who are often looking for unique and personalized items. You can find reputable dropshipping suppliers through platforms like Etsy Wholesale, Handmade at Amazon, and independent artisans. These platforms offer a variety of products that can help you maintain the handmade and unique appeal that Etsy shoppers expect. When creating your Etsy listings, be transparent about your production process. This includes providing detailed information about how the products are made and who is involved in their creation. Clearly state that you work with a production partner and provide details about their location and craftsmanship. This transparency helps build trust with your customers and assures them of the authenticity of your products. High-quality product photos, detailed descriptions, and personalized customer service are essential for building trust and driving sales on Etsy. Make sure your photos showcase the unique features of your products and your descriptions provide all the necessary details that a customer might need. Excellent customer service, including prompt responses to inquiries and a willingness to accommodate special requests, can set you apart from other sellers and foster customer loyalty. Choosing the right niche is paramount to your Etsy dropshipping success. A niche is a specific segment of the market with unique needs, preferences, and interests. By targeting a niche, you can focus your marketing efforts, connect with a more engaged audience, and ultimately increase your chances of making sales. Start by brainstorming your passions, hobbies, and areas of interest. What are you knowledgeable about? What problems can you solve for a specific group of people? Once you have a few ideas, research their popularity on Etsy. Look for niches with high search volume, low competition, and a passionate audience willing to spend money. Tools like Etsy Rank, Marmalade, and eRank can help you analyze keyword search volume, competition, and trending products within different niches. Remember, the goal is to find a niche that's profitable, aligns with your interests, and has the potential for long-term growth.